And Arif Dar also was a wanted terrorist. He had been involved in a number of bank robberies, in a number of weapon snatching incidents, and so today both of them have been killed. Abu Dujana is a foreign terrorist, Pakistani, and after that we have wound up the operations and we have pulled back to our bases. Thank you.
Sir, talking of this,
the IGP. And we tried to utilize the services of the house owner and the persons who came out of the house to impress upon them to surrender. But because of Dujana's presence, the other fellow could also not surrender. And ultimately, you know what, when it is like that, it's like that. They started firing, and the quantum of fire from their side was very heavy today. It was retaliated and both were neutralized. After the operation was over, properly the bodies were identified. And one was Abu Dujana and the other one was Arif. So it was a clean operation, but for civilian casualty of Firdaus Khan of Begambagh and around 5 to 6 injured, pellet injuries and 2 bullet injuries. Initially, as it happens, in spite of our warnings and in spite of our requests, the people on the behest of Milton, I have been repeating it in every press conference, the people on the behest of these Miltons, maybe coercion or threatening, they tend to come in between the operating parties and the militants, and that's how they get injured or killed. Today also it happened in the same manner, and we lost a civilian's life. Regrettable, but it could have been avoided if the people stay inside and let the security forces do their job. These things won't happen. I'll take this opportunity and again appeal to the people, because the operations will carry on. Pelting or no pelting, disruptions or no disruptions, the operations will go on. Whenever we get information of militants, armed militants rather, in a house or in any area, the operations are to be launched. And yes, we are trying that they surrender, but if they don't surrender and they start firing on the forces, the only reply is to retaliate. That's what has been done. And Co-Commander has already mentioned about the activities, nefarious activities of Arif. Weapon snatching, looting, then killing of Sarpanch. If you remember, there was a killing of Sarpanch. It was which area? I think Pulwama.
PDP president of PDP president.
Yes, he was involved in that, district president. Then
He was Fayaz Ahmad Dar.
No, Dujana.
Sarpanch Fayaz Ahmad Dar had been killed by Arif Dar.
And Dujana, you know, he had become more a nuisance in the area by way of, I don't want to use those words. He had become an eyesore for everybody, especially the girls in the area. It was his sweet will now to enter any house and do whatever he wanted to do. Good riddance that way. I think people should relax, the girls, our sisters, they should relax now, that no such persons will be there to harass them anymore. Thank you very much.
Sir, talking of this operation, Abu Dujana, he's been active from the last 7-8 years and probably mastermind and executor of several attacks on the security forces. So in that way, can we safely say it's a big dent to the operational capability of Lashkar, keeping in mind how he was involved in all these incidents and operations?
Yes, it's a big dent on the capability of Lashkar. Abu Dujana, but in his operational capability in the last 1 year or so, what we have seen, he was not involved in too many operations. Like the IGP mentioned, he was more of a news.
जम्मू कश्मीर के आईजी मुनीर खान को आप सुन रहे थे, जिन्होंने आधिकारिक पुष्टि कर दी है अबू दुजाना के मारे जाने की। बड़ा एनकाउंटर हुआ है, सेना के हाथों बड़ी कामयाबी लगी है। लाखों का इनाम इस आतंकवादी के सर में था और चकमा देने में माहिर ये आतंकवादी एनकाउंटर में मारा गया। छोटे से ब्रेक